Good evening, everyone. I'm Yuki Washington.
And I'm Natasha Brown in for Jessica today. The church claims it is not working to keep this a secret, but others say there is a cover-up that needs to be revealed. Our Joe Holden did some digging and has this report.
Derailed, at least for now, an 800-plus page report investigating decades of priest sex abuse across Pennsylvania remains barred from release by the state Supreme Court. The reasons why have legal experts troubled.
It's fundamental that people who commit crimes be held responsible.
Attorney General Josh Shapiro ordered the investigation of 6 Pennsylvania dioceses, including Allentown, Erie, Greensburg, Harrisburg, Pittsburgh, and Scranton. Church and public officials and community leaders are said to be on the hook.
The bishops have said we're not objecting, but the individual priests are, at least some of them are.
Former District Attorney Lynn Abraham initiated the first comprehensive investigation of Philadelphia's Roman Catholic Church more than 10 years ago.
This massive clergy sex abuse scandal, which has been covered up, lied about, denied by the various dioceses of Pennsylvania. And some of the priests who are named want to come in and say why their names should not be listed in that report.
Philadelphia and Johnstown, Altoona were excluded since extensive grand jury investigations have already been conducted. The Supreme Court held up the report's release after sources say more than 24 people objected. The court explained in an opinion that it's still reviewing the massive document. Attorney Tom Klein believes the Supreme Court will eventually do the right thing, but he questions the role of those connected to the church who have objected.
Their first instinct is to make sure that it's swept under the rug. Their first instinct is to make sure that it doesn't come to light. And that's the opposite of what they've promised their followers, what they've promised the public, and what they've promised law enforcement.
A spokesman for the Attorney General told me on the phone the time is up for the Supreme Court's review and they want this report released immediately. Now, of all of the dioceses we reached out to, each claimed they had no role in keeping this report under wraps. In the SAT Center, I'm Joe Holden, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.